my in-flight skincare routine. I went to Italy with one of my good friends, Anna. I saw so many videos of people doing like in-flight skincare routine, and I thought to myself, why is that even important? Why is that even a thing? It's so stupid, yada yada yada. And this just goes to show that you shouldn't judge a book by its cover. I brought stuff with me to try the in-flight skincare routine, and such a game changer. I've been on planes before, and I just remember feeling so gross, so fatigued, dry. It's just disgusting. I just was like, I want to try this in-flight skincare routine to see what the heck the deal is about. I think that in-flight skincare routines are super important now, because the way that I felt was just 110% better than if I didn't do any kind of skincare routine, which is so bizarre to think about, but it's so true. Like, you just feel way more cleansed and clean and just refreshed. If you haven't subscribed, make sure that you do. It'll mean everything to me. And don't forget to check out my social medias: Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat. I brought wet wipes with me because I wanted to wipe down the entire area. I brought a Tony Moly sheet mask, the Summer Friday jet lag mask, nourishing cuticle oil, my face roller, hand sanitizer, hand lotion, lip balm. So that's kind of what I kept in here. Let's jump into how I use all of these products. First, we're gonna start off with hand sanitizer. You wanna make sure everything's clean. Then we're gonna jump into a sheet mask so that you can scare everyone that's on the plane. I can't get it open. So I just applied that to my face. There was a little girl that was sitting next to us that was literally terrified of the sheet mask. It was so freaking funny. So then I just take the face roller and I just kind of go over my face so that it's evenly distributed. And I love face rollers. If you haven't gotten one yet, I think that it's a good idea, because it definitely just makes your face decompress and just make it feel relaxed. And it's just fun, you know? Scary. So I take that off, I pat in the excess product just to make sure everything's blended in, bring it down the neck. The neck and the chest are super important. And then I just start to roll my face a little bit more. This, I feel as if it's just a stress reliever. I usually like to go over my temples because it literally just decompresses you. I just think that it feels fantastic. I love it. Then I go into the Summer Friday jet lag mask. I apply that all over my face because I want to ensure that my face is moisturized for the entire flight. And I mean, I haven't seen a huge difference with this mask. Everyone raves about it. I mean, it's all right. It's definitely hydrating. So then I just put some lip balm on because I can't live without that stuff. And then I put cuticle oil on. Good gravy. My cuticles are always so dry. I cannot stand it. Like, it literally drives me nuts. So I just apply a heavy coat of that, and then I just moisturize and pat that in. Then I go into hand lotion. I got this hand lotion at like a hotel. I like it because it smells like lemons, so it's nice and soothing. I just apply that all over. And then that is my in-flight skincare routine. It's pretty basic. It's mostly hydrating. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys learned something. And if you end up trying the in-flight skincare routine, let me know how you like it. Let me know what kind of products that you use in the comments down below. I just think that it's necessary now because it literally just makes you feel alive and fresh. I didn't end up wearing makeup today because I'm super impressed with my skin nowadays. Maybe I'll do an updated skincare routine. Don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And until next time, I will talk to you guys later.
This is how many blockers.